Hey, what's up, guys? 65 Lokes. Just wanted to show what came in today. We got a shipment in from GodHand, all the way from Japan. Let's check it out. Let's open this up. We got some restocks and new products in. The sanding pads. Got this this new file right here. Let's see what else. Sandpaper. We got some of the starch for the brushes. This is gonna keep your brushes lasting forever. We got some brushes as well. Then we got some drill sets. Different there's different ones. We got the A, B, C, and D. We got some more of the sandpaper. This is number A, letter A. And then we got letter B. That was the first one we showed. This is a new product right here. This is like a pack that just has all the different grits that they offer right here. So these are gonna go up on the site. That's a brand new set right here. Check it out. 120 all the way up to 100,000. All the different grits. And let's see what else we got over here. These are also some small brushes. This is a new product that they just came out with. Check out the size. Kind of reminds me of like a scrolling brush for pinstriping. Really tiny. We got those in finally. Let's see here. What is this? Oh yes, this is there's this little like thumb palette that came in, and these are, I believe, the replacement sheets that go onto that. So like the little boards. Here we go. And let's see. Let me get to that. We got some new. Here, I'm gonna have to undo this one. All right, so I just went ahead and unwrapped everything because there was a lot of bubble tape and everything was pretty much wrapped, and I wasn't able to do that with one hand. But this right here is the thumb palette I was talking about. You wear that on right there, almost like a ring, and then this is your little piece right there that you attach to the palette. And then you know, you could do some fine work. You can hold you know, like your figure or whatever you're going to be painting, your object, with that same hand where the palette will be with the paint. And let's see the back here. Oh, here we are. Here's a little demo here. See right there, you get palette, and then you can paint like a little figure. And then there's the size right there. Flip this around, check it out right there. So it's just something to like rest on the finger right there. So we got some of those. We also got some restock on the glass cutter mat right here. Tempered glass. You could do various things right here. Cut tape. You know, if you want to lay down some tape and cut some lines as well. Got that. We also got the this nipper here. This is new to the store. This is a single blade. Pretty neat. And then these are new right here. These are some bending pliers. Let's see how thin they are. These are good for bending wire. See the back right here, as you can see right there. And then that's the shape of it. And that's how they look when they're open. So this is a brand new product from GodHand, made in Japan. It is right there. We got those in. And then this is another one I was very excited about. This one right here. Check out the tip. It's like angled. Let's see if make it focus. There we go. Flat and angled right there. I have never had a plier like this. So this is something that I was very excited about. So you could see it, other different uses. That one in the middle right here, this example, I have one of those box cutters, and you know, you can break off the blades, and I mean, this tool is going to come in handy for that. That way you have a fresh new blade on that knife right there. We also got the handy saws. We had gotten some earlier in the year, maybe like a couple months ago or so, and these are great. I mean, look how big it is. It's a saw right there. It's flexible, but it also has the stem that you could extend. So you know, it's multi-use. So right here you can see how they're showing it. flexing. And then right here if you want a more like a solid use for cutting. And there's the different ridges right there. But this is a neat tool right here for cutting that we got in. All this stuff's gonna pretty much go on the site. I just need to check it in first. And it almost looks like a pack of fireworks, but now we've got 4th of July rolling out. And stay tuned. Check out scalewriters.com. Let's see these ones right here real quick. See, it's kind of hard to do it with the one hand. There we go. Alright, let's pull these out. Let's check them out. So we got the letter C. And then there's a different millimeters right there. 1.1 all the way up to 1.9. Then this is the B, 1 to 3 millimeter. And this is the D, 2.1 all the way to 2.9. So it's like in between. So you basically have like every size in this set right here. Then we got another one of the C. We already have B. We already have an A on the site in stock. So we got 2 of the B's, C and D, and the A. So they're all pretty complementary to each other. Alright guys, we'll be safe. Stay tuned. Peace out.